We'll give you cooling when you want it and heating when you need it. We pride ourselves on providing the highest quality heating, ventilation, and air conditioning services in the area. We understand that your HVAC system is a vital part of your home or business, and we are dedicated to keeping it running smoothly. We understand the importance of keeping your home or office comfortable year-round. That's why we offer a wide range of HVAC services to meet your needs. From repairs and maintenance to replacement and installation, we can help you with all of your HVAC needs. We also offer a variety of energy-saving options, so you can save money on your energy bills while still keeping your space comfortable. Whether you need HVAC services for your home or office, we're here to help. By calling us, you can be confident that your HVAC system will be operating at peak efficiency, saving you money and keeping your family comfortable all year long.